This beautiful historic home is nestled in the heart of McFarland on the desirable Main Street, center stage for village parades, and just 1 block from the library, post office, park, pizza parlor, and coffee shop. A charming community, McFarland was recently ranked the 5th best place to live in Wisconsin due to its top-rated schools and desirable location just minutes from downtown Madison with easy access to the Beltline and I-90. Historic homes like this are a rare find in McFarland. You'll love the character of the gorgeous hardwood floors, superior craftsmanship and woodwork found throughout the home. Entertaining is simple with your massive eat-in kitchen that opens to the large, formal dining room, living room, and 4-season porch. The home features a unique staircase, can be accessed from the living room in the front of the home as well as from the kitchen in the back. Follow its stairs up to 4 large bedrooms with deep closets and a full bathroom. Remarkably, the home offers an additional bathroom on the main level and a large 2-car garage in the yard, both prestigious qualities for homes built in the 1920s. This amazing home and the lifestyle it affords can be yours, but don't wait. Schedule a showing today. With unparalleled location, layout, and craftsmanship, this home is a fantastic value, and you don't want to miss this opportunity.